Ngilalele la i-interview kaGoge noNtuli uPremier waKwaZulu Natal osesalelwe isikhathi esincane kakhulu. Ekhuluma ngokuthi nansi MK ifaka iphusha ilokhuze i-vote of no confidence kuPremier waKwaZulu Natal. Ngithi ngifuna ukulalela ukuthi yiphi into athi kufanele angakwazi ukukhishwa ngayo nge-vote of no confidence. Yazi uMkhonto usisizile nje kakhulu ngale vote of no confidence. Number one, ukhuluma ngokuthi-ke it is unnecessary and it's an interior motive. Mhlambe they are not prepared to change the leadership now and then. Uthi-ke the government of KwaZulu Natal is stable under the IFP banner. Liar. Uyazi ukuthi why ngithi liar. You know, uBaba uNtuli usilimaze kakhulu thina njengesizwe saKwaZulu Natal. Esilimaza kakhulu in terms of into ye-employment. Kahle kahle since engenile esikhundleni, there is no employment in South Africa, and ugovernment wakhe is abusing the power kakhulu. ONomagugu noNgidi niyakhumbula bengena ey'kandaleni zokuthi abanye amakhosikazi abo arana into yokufida ey'koleni, abanye barana izinto. UNomagugu nje is running izinto zama-tavern, is running izinto zama-security. Ama-security nje ubona engaholi KwaZulu Natal inxa kaNomagugu, and ubona ama-security engaholi ngesikhathi KwaZulu Natal inxa kaNomagugu. Angazi methi the government is stable usho ukuthini. Education is falling apart, and there's a lot that is happening, and the Premier of KwaZulu Natal akasho lutho ngeMadlanga Commission, of which iMadlanga Commission pointing kakhulu into yokufa kosopolitiki KwaZulu Natal. Kodwa uthi yena the province is stable. Recently kade kubulawa amakhansela recently. But angizwe khuluma ngalezi zinto. Uthi konke ku-stable. I don't know ukuthi uhlala kuliphi KwaZulu Natal la khona ethi ku-stable. Khona manje kade sihamba singena kuma firm la khona efike wavala ngesicapha ukuthi abantu bokufika bangakhishwa koMandeni. Abantu baseMandeni nje abasebenzi ngenxa yakhe. Uthi abantu bokufika abangakhishwa, usho njalo. Whereas manikhumbula kahle South Africa uke wakhuluma ngento ethi i-IFP kuyakhuluma ngento ethi uma ike yaphatha in 6 months wonke umuntu uyobe ngekho eSouth Africa wokufika, kakhulukazi or illegal foreigner. Ukuthi bathi uyobe ngekho, but unfortunately we find out ukuthi lento yama-Ithala Institutes le khona eMandeni nase-Newcastle, it favors i-IFP for ama-elections, and lokho kwenza ukuthi abantu bakithi abangasebenzi basafarishe, because ama-China ayakwazi ukubalekelela when it goes to ilokhuze ama-elections. And okunye that I discovered kule ngxoxo yakhe ayishoyo uthi he fought for corruption. I don't know ukuthi kuphi njoba ngibala lama MECs awu-2, and I don't understand ukuthi kwenza kanjani ukuthi nibe kwi-GPU but uma usukhuluma ukhulume njenge-IFP, ngoba phela yonke lento othi uyayi-achieve, uthi u-achieve ama-millions, uthi u-achieve ama-billion, 90 billions, but the unemployment of people of KwaZulu-Natal is still high. Day by day abantu bayaxoshwa without ukuthi bangene kuma labor matters ngendlela ecorrect. Ama-China a-abuse abantu bakithi, ayabashaya literally emafemini. Anisho lutho ngaleyo nto, nithi yonke into is stable, angazi kuphi nihlalaphi. Thina njengabantu bakwaZulu-Natal we will be happy sikuyeke nje ukuthi ungene ngo-17% ukuba upremier. Angazi ukuthi mawuthi akukho right ukuthi ushawe ngevote of no confidence, uthi wena njenge-IFP ububona usayibambe kahle. Uyibamba kahle kanjani wena ekugcineni ungavanga uzowine, ngoba uwinanga phela, iqiniso lelo. Dedela abantu abawinayo baphathi KwaZulu-Natal ngoba kwaba i-voice yabantu. So now asikwazi ukuthi sithi wena uphethe ekubeni wazi ukuthi kufanele ngabe uphethwe. We understand. So lento ithi futhi asikho impressed ngendlela ophathe ngayo kule nyaka nje ophathe ngawo wodwa nesiqutshana seyinyanga. Asikho happy njengabantu bakwaZulu-Natal, and wenze sure ukuthi ama-foreigners are your friends because nifuna ukuthi anixhase masekuyiwe okhethweni. MK Labour Desk ilwe kakhulu nama-foreigner, but igama lika-Premier liyatholakala eliyi-order kubaqashi ukuthi akufanele kukhishwe ama-foreigners emsebenzini. Umbuzo uthi kanti abantu bakithi bazosebenza nini? Naba be-IFP abakuvotela, angicabanga ukuthi they aware ukuthi njengoba bengasebenzi nje nawe unesandla. Kakhulukazi kulama Ithala Institute okuyiwona a-protector the legacy of the IFP and the legacy of you guys abakwazi ukudonate ngezinto. So and lokhu kuyayisiza-ke ne-leadership ye-IFP. I spoke to some leaders of the IFP. Now they are happy because kwi-conference ubusebenzisa isikhundla sakho ukuthi uzo-advancer abantu ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ubathembise something so that when uzowina i-conference yokukhipha uhlabisa. Unfortunately, the MK is here. So siyabonga kakhulu kumalunga ePhalamende lakaZulu-Natal for the stand, and siyabonga kwi-IFP nayo ezokwazi ukuyikhulula ku-Mr. Ntuli, uPremier uNtuli izokwazi ukuyikhulula kuye, as well as ne-ANC. Ke siyabonga kwi-Youth League ngoba cha i-motherboard ye-ANC ivaleka amehlo. Into abayifunayo ukuba o-MEC, abayiboni nanokuthi balele ndawonye nani nesitha engubeni eyodwa nesitha okuyi-DA. So-ke siyabonga ukuthi i-Youth League ibuyise isithunzi esincane nje se-ANC. Siyabonga ukuthi nilethe isense kwi-ANC i-motherboard. Siyakubonga lokho, kubalulekile ukuthi noma singahambisani ngama-ideologies ethu ama-political party, but siyibone into eyenzakele enhle, esibona ukuthi i-motherboard izovuka emaqandeni, ibone ukuthi ayilele nomuntu ocorrect, ilele nomuntu oyi-enemy embedeni. So bafowethu, ANC, IFP niwubulela umzabalazo womuntu omnyama wokulwela ukubuya komhlaba, okulwela ukushintshwa kwemithetho eSouth Africa that disadvantage the black people. And now sicabanga ukuthi bonke abantu bakwaZulu-Natal kufanele bafake that motion of no confidence, bayifake nangama-email ePhalamende, i-motion of no confidence. Fanele wonke umuntu one-email ayisende laphayana elokhuzeni eshamthethweni ukuthi sifaka nathi singaphandle, siyayifaka i-motion of no confidence. Thina njenge-MK Labour Desk soyifaka nathi, and wonke amalunga ethu ayifaka, ama-security okuyiwona aqhashazwa ngama-MEC anamabhizinisi ey'bhedlela. No, time is ticking. Ma-security ey'kole nama-clean ey'kole, time is ticking. Mandla.